Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Patreon for LinkedIn memberships, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Patreon for LinkedIn memberships, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to patreon.com. In the top right corner of the homepage, click on the sign up button. You will see two options: sign up using your email or sign up with an existing Google or Facebook account. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address and create a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. After entering your information, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Next, you'll need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Patreon. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Patreon website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, you'll see a welcome screen. Click Get Started to proceed with setting up your account. You will be prompted to select your country and enter your location details. Fill in the necessary information and click Continue. Next, you will need to set up your creator profile. Provide a name that reflects the content you will share on LinkedIn. Add a profile picture to personalize your page. Next, describe your offering, highlighting what users can expect from your memberships. Once your profile is complete, select the Launch Your Page button. You will now need to set your membership tiers. Decide on the different levels of membership you want to offer, such as Basic, Standard, and Premium. For each tier, set a monthly price and outline the benefits associated with that membership. Save the changes to your membership tiers. Now, set up your payment information. Go to the Payout section found in your account settings. Select your preferred payout method, such as a bank transfer or PayPal. Enter the required payment details and confirm. Once everything is set up, go to the Settings tab in your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.